Well, recent data shows an alarming rise in hate crimes across California, and now millions of dollars in grants are being distributed to community organizations in hopes of changing that trend, especially in the Asian American community. As NBC Bay Area's Christie Smith shows us, several of those organizations are right here in the Bay Area.
There has been violence incidents that happen in the Asian community. But during the pandemic, of course, we can see the surge.
Sarah Nguyen is Executive Director of Community Youth Center of San Francisco. They've worked hard to help the community.
And community outreach, including like safety workshop, walking the high Asian concentration neighborhood. And in terms of victim support services that we're able to provide linguistically appropriate.
They're part of a coalition of organizations experienced in the Bay Area, and they're about to get millions to help fund programs aimed at stopping hate crimes and attacks against the Asian American community. This is the second wave of grant funding.
This is round two of the Stop AAPI hate grants. This is called the transformative grants, so really larger grants made to have a much bigger impact in our communities.
Today, Assemblymember Phil Ting announced grants for about a dozen recipients around the state.
These grants will go toward direct services, and that could be anything from mental health to wellness or legal services, or just helping people navigate our very complicated government process. We also have prevention services.
Even programs like escorting seniors to run errands, programs that have seen demand jump as more people worry about their safety.
That the rise in anti-Asian hate catalyzed by COVID-19, documented by Stop AAPI Hate, is a national crisis. Nearly 40% of the incidents coming from California.
Many say California's response is critical, investing money and supporting organizations that have shown what they can do.
We hope young people will really learn the root causes and also how to mobilize to change in our community.
In San Francisco, Christie Smith, NBC Bay Area News.